Hi, I'm Eduardo Rosas and I'm back with another Xamarin Wednesday. During this video we're going to continue talking about how you can use search control tools to seamlessly create cross-platform applications, especially with Xamarin, since you may find yourself using Windows and Mac when creating the same project. Using these tools and what I've been talking about during the last videos and the next videos will make your life way easier. Now, once you have your project opened on Xamarin Studio, you can actually make the changes in here, checking the changes, and obviously download those changes on Visual Studio if you go back to your PC. Now, when you first open the application, you may notice this icon on the iOS project that it says that it is not built in an active configuration. All you have to do is select the project, go to the project menu, go to active configuration, and select debug iPhone or debug iPhone simulator. It should solve the problem right away. You may also notice that the Windows project has this icon that it says that the load has failed. It is obvious because, well, this is a Windows project, this is a Mac. A Mac will not be able to access the Windows project, just like a Windows won't be able to access a Mac project. Now, this only happens if you have a Windows project inside of your solution. I have actually made this small change to the info place because a deployment target hasn't been selected, so I changed it. I selected one. So this change, I should also be able to check it in. So I'm able to download those changes into Visual Studio if I wanted to. So all I have to do is select my entire solution. I can go to version control and I can choose to review the solution and commit it. So I'm going to see a list of all the changes that have been made, and I can click on commit. I again can set a commit change, a commit message. Changes were made, very simple. And I'm going to select to push changes to remote repository after commit. In here, I am going to be asked for a login credential, so I can set my username and my email address. Click OK. Click push changes. The changes will start being pushed. And in here is where it is very important that I have created some alternate authentication method from team services, because in here I am going to be able to enter the username and the password. I think that is the password, and that is very important because Xamarin Studio, I guess they're not correct. Let me try it again. Visual Studio won't be able to connect, there they are, to connect to team services with the default credentials. So I have to create the alternate credentials. So there you go, the push operation was successful, and that is how you commit changes from Xamarin Studio to Visual Studio Team Services. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Xamarin, if you want to learn more about application development, maybe a little bit about cloud computing, integration with your mobile applications. I'm going to be posting videos as often as I can. I'm going to be posting Xamarin Wednesdays on every Wednesday, of course. So subscribe, like the video, share it, you know, the usual stuff YouTubers say. And you know, in the description below I have added a couple of links that may be useful to you, including a link to a very good discount to my premium Xamarin course on Udemy. So hope I see you inside. Inside of what? Inside of my course, I guess.